Android package installer not working. Here is the fix. But before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates like this. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing, you need to swipe down your notification panel, and at the right upper corner there is settings option. Simply tap over the settings, and here is an apps and notification option. This option differs according to device. On your device there may be only apps option, but the thing is you just have to go through app lists, and after that you can go for see all apps over here. And after doing that, tap over the three-dotted horizontal line at the right upper corner next to search bar, and you can go for show system, and all of the system apps will be displayed in this section. So here you need to search for package installer. Simply tap over the search bar and you can search for package installer. It's already seen over here. Tap over the package installer, and at the right hand side there's a force stop option. You can tap over the force stop, and once you're done you can go for storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache. By doing that, your package installer will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. You can go back and try, you will be able to fix. But if you are still unable to fix, then the simple thing is you can restart your device. For that, you can press and hold over power button and you can choose restart, and you'll be able to refresh your device and you'll be able to fix your problem. So this is the two way to fix Android package installer not working. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.